Once known as a legend in the mobile phone world, Nokia is all set to make a stunning comeback after years of silence. And guess what? If you've been waiting for a smartphone that fully charges in just 15 minutes, and packs a mind-blowing 200 megapixel camera, your wait might just be over. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. If you're thinking about upgrading your smartphone, don't skip this video. Because today, we're revealing the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this beast. So let's start. Features of Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. Display. This power-packed device sports a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Along with that, you get a 144 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now let's talk about that jaw-dropping camera setup. On the back, it comes with a quad camera setup, headlined by a massive 200 megapixel primary sensor. Supporting cameras include 50 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and 5 megapixel lenses, making it a photography powerhouse. And for selfie lovers, you get a crisp 32 megapixels front camera for stunning selfies and clear video calls. Performance. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and it runs on the all-new Android 15 operating system, giving you blazing fast speed and smooth multitasking. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Nokia is not holding back. The Royal Ultra 5G comes with a massive 7500 mAh battery, paired with 100-watt fast charging, so you can go from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk money. The expected price of this feature-packed smartphone is around $400. As for the official launch date, there's no confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could be just around the corner.